Good morning, YouTube. My name is Carla, and I am the owner of Lena's Beauty Box. You're probably saying to yourself, if you are the owner of a beauty company, why are you in your car? Well, with today being Saturday, I am out trying to pick up some ingredients, go to a couple of vendors, and get some. I know I need to go pick up some corrugated boxes that I ordered, and it helps me to be able to, being local and being able to go pick up some things, I'm sure with a lot of you, it helps me to cut some of my costs. And like I said, I own a beauty company, and the ingredients for bath and body products is skyrocketing. Everything is so high and expensive, so I'm just doing my little feat here to try to cut some of my costs. Also, I'm in the process of trying to prepare for my first pop-up shop. So this video is talking about a lot of my first everything. If I sound like I'm stumbling over my words a little bit, I probably am, because I'm nervous. It took me quite a while to get to a point of where I would even do the YouTube. I have a pretty decent TikTok following, but I just kind of feel like being on YouTube would probably give me and my business a better presence. And so I'm not going to talk a whole lot right now, but I'm not going to talk a lot right now, but I kind of had to go ahead and get my intro together because I've been trying to film, stop, you name it. So welcome to my channel. When you're a small business owner, you tend to be a one-stop shop. And so right now I'm updating the website to incorporate our products and make sure it has the right look. At the same time, I'm preparing for the pop-up shop, and I was online looking for vendors that could do a table runner. And I just found that some of the stuff was just so expensive. And based upon the turnaround time, I wasn't going to have it in enough time for the pop-up shop anyway. And so since I have a lot of equipment at home, I just decided to go ahead and do it myself. My color scheme is rose gold and black for the table runner. The rose gold is reflective of naturally my company logo. But at first I could not figure out with this crack cut mat which side this vinyl was supposed to go down on, and I eventually got it. But for me, it was a time at first. But I'm using Locklick's software, and this is their cutter. Now, obviously, this is not a sponsored video, and honestly, this is my first time using Locklick's cutter, and I have to say it was quite smooth. It was quiet, based upon what I've heard a lot of other people say about how some of the other cutters sound a little louder. It cut fast, and here is my finished product. This is my peaceful afternoon soap that I was working on for the business and for the pop-up shop. But here's the thing. Originally, I had filmed this using my cell phone, and it didn't have the best quality because I realized it was supposed to be in landscape. So I had to refilm it. So it came out a little light right here, but it's still a really pretty soap. And I've had an opportunity to go ahead and cut it. Now, I know it looks a little scruffy right now, but once it has an opportunity to saponify, I can clean it up a little better. I've been working on my bags, some of my bags for some of my products. And one of the ideas I came up with was that a way for me to still advertise even after people have purchased something while they're at the pop-up shop is I have taken some clear bags that I've purchased in bulk. I've put my company logo on them, and I had some cards printed a while back that showcase my pamper parties and my company logo, but on the back of them it shows some of my products, a QR code, email address, telephone numbers. So it serves as like a business card but an informational card at the same time. And so what I've been doing is, because I really love the color scheme, but I really love how this still shows like it's kind of like still advertising. I've been taking them and putting them in the bags and putting this card to the back so that after people have purchased something and they're walking around with a clear bag, this still will be like a little advertisement for my company. And at the same time, I'm putting in here thank you card for supporting our small business. So it's important to me that I put my best foot forward, even no matter what I'm doing. And so I'm just really trying to make sure that from a packaging standpoint, from an advertising standpoint, from a semi being ready perspective, I at least have my bags with the main information that I want, because sometimes we can get in a rush. One of the main things you can forget is to put your business card in there, or leave customers with some information on how to contact you. So this is the day of the pop-up shop. And believe it or not, it was almost over before I realized I hadn't filmed any footage. Because when I got there, as I was trying to set up, people were buying my products, making orders. They were cash apping me. And it all just went so fast. And I was only there maybe 2 or 3 hours. Because I've been wanting to scale my business for some time, I've taken some of my revenue and I have reinvested it into my business. And I have purchased some soap molds from a vendor on Etsy. I think it's the Heritage Workshop Heritage, I believe. I will make sure to leave their information in the description below. But I ended up getting myself 2 25-pound soap molds. And doing this is going to give me an opportunity to make a larger volume of soap and make sure that the batches are consistently the same without having to mix and pour in different batches. But I'm really, really excited about this. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch me and our Lena's Beauty Box channel today. Is our introduction to YouTube. And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. I really did. But more importantly, I enjoyed connecting with you all. So as I hear so many of you say, if you would like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. There's so much more to come in the future. I didn't want to film too much, not film enough. I didn't want my video to be long and outdrawn. I was trying to get to the point today and just basically get myself out there. But more importantly, I wanted to connect with you all and let you all, give you all an opportunity to see me. And so if you see garland on the back of the post, that is true. My grandbaby likes it, and it's some lights attached to it. So he said, "Grandmama, can you leave it up?" And that's what I've been doing. So just forgive me, okay? But it's my intent to try to film a video per week. It's a lot of work that goes into these YouTube videos, as I'm starting to see. And so I'm going to really work to make sure that I have a really good outline, that I cover some good content, show some pretty soaps and some good bath products, and we just have some fun. And so once again, thank you.